Okay, so here's the full vlog, and I want to make it known, everybody, I am safe. This is live footage of documented things around me. As you know, I have been off grid. I'm a city girl, but I do love to be in nature. And I will be honest, nature definitely came in and she showed up. However, I still connected and had my spiritual moments that I tuned to see, as well as I will be honest, I feel like I saw nature cleansing itself.
All right, honey, where art thou? I need my honey. Oh, honey, why are you all the way at the back? No puns intended. Okay, teeth all the way. I ain't doing nothing too extra this morning. It's good enough for me.
Fish cooker.
A fish cook?
This fish cooker.
Mm-hmm.
The little eye I was telling you about.
Oh, actually, this is too aesthetically. This might be the start of the video. Falling. Hey, y'all, I got it. What y'all said would happen. The tree just fell while I was coming in. Okay, don't another one follow me. Come on. Dang, they caught it. That tree's falling. That tree was falling. Crap, it stopped. Oh, that's interesting. The other trees caught it. Very, very interesting. Look at his car. So something tells me that these fell through the night. Does that mean I need to get my black A back in the cribbo? Probably. I probably love nature a little too much. Probably love nature. You should see my brother looking at me right now. So they said that like trees would fall off. Were those trees falling yesterday? Or did this happen
What
overnight?
was happening last night and this morning?
Uh-huh. They said that that was one of the warnings. Oh wow, that big one's leaning. Oh wow. Uh-oh. Now see, God, please protect us from the falling trees. Please and thank you. Please. Trees, can you please not fall on our camper? I know you can hear me. I'm a spiritual girly. Please do not fall on our camper. You can fall around it like you've been doing. Please do not hit me now either. This is just kind of like some beautiful artistry right now. Whoa, this is kind of insane. This is crazy, yo. This is so insane. This is insane yet beautiful. Whoa. Is the tree dancing? Let me not sing that too accurately. They will take my whole video and say copyright infringement. Okay, I promise I'm going to get away from the trees because I don't want anybody scared. God, please protect trees. Hello, my name is Sasha. Please don't fall on me, my brother, or our camper. Thank you. Are you letting go of dead weight, old weight? This is still very beautiful. Very beautiful. I don't even know if they can see it the way that I'm seeing it. Yeah, this is beautiful. Don't do that. Uh-oh.
Nah, it ain't gonna land on the trailer.
This is very interesting how they're strategically landing around stuff. Okay, well, thanks, Spirit. Well, I don't want to get this trailer. It may take forever to do it. I don't know. I'm not trying to tell it to fall. Well, anyway, y'all, I was finna get that one. I don't want to get nobody. fan out real quickly. My tea is still hot. Awesome. I've been documenting falling trees. Oh, because that's what this giant thing is? So the hiding in plain sight.
See, we're using that tank right now, and it is allegedly a little low.
How do you know that?
So read it right there. I need to refill
Oh,
it.
low gas.
But it's probably still a decent amount in it. This one's just low, but should be alright anyway. Literally, to switch from this tank to this tank, all I have to do is flip this that way.
Flip what?
This switch right
This
here.
little thingy?
Mm-hmm.
Flip this thingy
Yep.
that way. Y'all, this is for the people who are like me, who are learning. Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, but as
Well,
of
I was
right
just
now,
checking. Now this is low, so I probably should cut the stove off, then switch it then.
wait, but do you feel like you need to now? And if so, why? Because if it still has some.
Well, I can't really tell. According to the gauge, it's low.
Okay. So when it says low, it's good to do what you just said, which is go ahead and flip to another one.
Yeah.
So, but does that mean throw this one away, or is it more like just
I can
keep
refill
it?
this, but
Oh.
all I have to do is take it up the road and refill it if I want to. Turn this up some. And then it's lit, just like that.
Oh. Okay. I was expecting to see like a.
It's it's finna be. Look more on this side underneath, right here.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh, and I heard it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yeah.
Y'all, I'm trying to get it, but I think that's the best I can do. It's cool though. Y'all see that flame? It's like bluish red. That's beautiful, actually.
Here in the front tire.
I guess I've already taken a bite. I'm hungry out here in this no power. Yeah, munchies. Cause yes, I just ate a sandwich, but you know, hey, no power. We gotta get it how we live. It was gonna break. What? Never mind. I thought it was gonna be easy to break. Snow and ice is strong. Y'all, bro just stepped in this, I don't even know what you call it, but I was over here trying to throw rocks. My technique still ain't working. Y'all see my other rocks? taking a quick wash up over here. So at least I have running water in the facility that we can use.